Салам достор, бүгүн биз мындай болот. Бул биз азыр бүгүн өтө турган оюн Red Dead Redemption 2 деген оюн. Бул комбойлордун оюну десем болот. 1899-жылдар экен. Элде эч нерсе жок. Немелеме жүргөн жылдарда, жанагындай Америкада болгон неме экен да. Даже Дикий Запад был по большей части украшен. Субтитр окуйлу достор, субтитрди окуйлу. Rockstar деген жана GTA'ны чыгарып аткан немелер да буларчы.
Abigail says he's dying, Dutch. We'll have to stop someplace.
Okay. Arthur's out looking. I sent him up ahead.
If we don't stop soon, we'll all be dying. This weather, it's May. I'm just hoping the law got as lost as we did.
There. Arthur! Any luck?
I found a place where we can get some shelter. Let Davy rest while he... You know. An old mining town. Abandoned. It ain't far. Come on. Come on! Yeah!
Bring him in here!
Могу биздин бандабыз да. Биздин өзүбүздүн
Miss
отряд
Gaskell,
десем болот.
get that fire lit, quick. Miss Jones, bring in whatever blankets we have. Mr. Pearson, see what we've got in terms of food.
Davy's dead.
There was nothing more you could have done.
What are we gonna do? We need supplies.
Well, first of all, you're gonna stay here, and you were gonna get yourself warm. Now, I sent John and Micah scouting out ahead. Arthur and I, we're gonna ride out, see if we can find one of them. And this, just for a short bit. And I don't see what other choice we have. Listen. Listen to me, all of you, for a moment. Now, we've had, well, a bad couple of days. I loved Davy, Jenny,
Sean,
Mac, they may be okay. We don't know. But we lost some folks. Now, if I could throw myself in the ground, in their stead, I'd do it, gladly. But we're gonna ride out, and we're gonna find some food. Everybody, we're safe now. There ain't nobody following us through a storm like this one. And by the time they get here, well, we're gonna be long gone. We've been through worse than this before. Mr. Pearson, Miss Grimshaw, I need you to turn this place into a camp. We may be here for a few days. Now, all of you, get yourselves warm.
Мен атын
Stay
мен үнім дағы
strong.
жақсы болады.
Stay
Мен
with
үнім дағы
me.
жақсы болып жатады.
We ain't done yet.
Мен
Come on,
үнім дағы
Arthur.
жақсы болып жатады.
All right. We've got some work to do.
We ain't run into them yet, so they both must have headed down the hill.
Sure. Hey, I ain't had time to ask. What really went down back there on that boat?
We missed you. That's what happened. Come on. Oh.
Hey, you need horses?
Oh, yeah. Hey, Mr. Smith, get yourself indoors. You need to rest that hand.
I'll live.
Get indoors, son.
Опа, биринчи ат.
We need you strong.
Мощный
Okay.
врачей, ё.
All right, let's head out.
Ain't sure what we're gonna find out here, Dutch.
We have to try. Stay close. We'll do our best to stick to the trail.
Погода.
This goddamn weather.
Been 2 days or more like this now. Oh, it has to blow over soon. Careful over this bridge here.
Каршыларынан чыгат.
Can't believe we lost Davy, too.
He's the last one, Arthur. No more. We need to get those people warm and fed.
At least we don't need to worry about Pinkertons tailing us in this.
A couple more days, we'll be on the other side. You need to help me pick the others back up. You're the only one I can rely on to stay strong right now.
We got fire and shelter. That's a start. So, do you think it was a trap in Blackwater?
That many men? Oh, they knew we were coming. But there was money on that boat, all right. Lots of it. I stashed what we took with all our money in town right before we fled. Hey, I think I see something up the path.
Жақын durат.
You up ahead. Who's there?
Жанагылар го дейм.
Micah.
Gentlemen,
Found anything?
I think so. Found a little homestead down that way.
Okay. Anyone home?
Sure. Place is blazing with light and noise. Sounded like a party.
Let's go see.
Follow me. How's Davy doing?
He didn't make it. Nor did little Jenny.
That's too bad. Davy was a real fighter. Both of them
Dave
Calendar
Webb,
boys is.
nostalgically
or
called, right?
was.
Историясы.
And Mac, Sean,
We don't know.
quite a business.
Орысча жазушы болсам болмақ
I'm
та
glad you're all right,
достарым.
Micah.
Always.
ask him if he's seen John.
Короче, бул кишини биз разведка кой бергенбиз да. 4-5 кишиничи.
See much of
Анан бул бир ферма таап алыптыр да. Азыр ушул жака барып
He
жатат.
hasn't seen him.
You'll be fine. Things always turn out right for that boy.
I hope Mac and Sean are still out there somewhere too. Hey, Arthur,
Ищут.
let me take the rear. You move up.
You run into anybody else?
I reckon we're the only one's crazy enough to be out in this, Morgan.
Yeah, well, don't talk to me about crazy.
Oh, so no, glad you're all right. I was worried, Micah. Look, it's all gonna work out, Morgan. We lost a few folks, but that's just how it goes sometimes.
Well, I'm glad you're feeling so good about it.
Where are all the others?
Old mining camp, back up the hill. Ain't much, but shelter. So, this house, you speak to the people there already?
No, like Dutch told us. Look, but don't talk to no one. Just following orders, you know me.
Right. How much further?
Not far.
What does that mean?
Not far. Okay, let's keep it down now, gentlemen. It's just up ahead.
Okay, let's head down there.
Так, бул жакта каждый выживает как может. Короче, мындай айтканда ар бир адам өзүнүн бандасын сактап калыш керек да. Эгер биз жаңы үйгө келдик, ал жакта эчтеке жок, от жок, тиги жок, бул жок, тамак жок, бирдеке кылыш керек болот. Внешняя шкала показывает высоту большого здоровья, статус средним.
Let's hitch up here.
Жакта музыка болуп атат меле. Мен атымда зебра сыяктуу ат экен.
Let me handle this. We don't want to spook these fine people.
Someone's having fun in there.
You two, get yourself out of sight. One lonely man is a lot less intimidating than three nasty-looking degenerates. Arthur, in that cattle shed on the left. Micah, get down behind that wagon in front. Arthur, what are you doing? I said get... Hello?
Shut up, Billy.
Excuse me? Hello? Oh, well, hello, friend.
What you want?
I am very sorry to disturb you. My friends and I, well, we got into some trouble up the way, lost in the storm. Ah, gentlemen.
We can't help you, mister.
I got folks.
Arthur, we got a problem. There's a corpse right here.
Өлтүрүп салыптыр да, биздикилерди өлтүрсө керек да.
There's a body in the wagon.
Биздикилерди өлтүрүп салыптыр. Могул жерде жаткан турбайбы мен? Муну көргөн эмесмин да, карасаңар. Тут покойники дейт. Ну что ж. Тай, ну что, Мариан тут контрбайсыңар, бе? Өлтүргөн. Биз немес банда сушулар эметкен турбай. Мякта бирөө жүргөндө картадан көрүнүп атат.
Didn't seem to be going too well.
Well, you made short work of them at least. Goddamn O'Driscoll boys here! Why?
I don't know. Maybe same reason as us.
Карайсың, жатат мерди.
Go bring the horses closer to the house. Arthur, let's go search the cabin.
Smells like a party in here.
Turn the place upside down. Grab as many supplies as you can. We need the essentials. Food,
Так,
medicine,
печенье дайт.
whiskey.
I'm starving.
You should eat something now. Get your strength up for the ride back.
Looks like the poor bastard was married too.
Б, чтобы открыть.
Some point.
If we can't eat it,
Опа, жан толтырса өткөн,
put it down.
Да, бирөө жок коюн.
O'Driscoll's. I don't believe it.
It's a strange one, all right. Maybe they're hiding up here, too. There's a big price on Colm O'Driscoll's head. Nearly as big as the one on yours.
Wanting Colm dead is about the only thing me and Uncle Sam agree on.
Place is dry and warm. We could maybe move the women and Jack down here.
Maybe. We'll see how they are when we get back. I don't really want us to split up.
Тамаштар чогулда турбайлы бияктан тилер экен. Элди шкафта ачылып турушат го.
Keep searching while I pack these on the horses.
Кровь тотпай карач, мектен бирөөнү өлтүргөндө кыйналганда.
Grab anything you think we can use, then meet me out here.
Готовы жакшылап тоной элмектин бар. Мекта не бар экен? Ишектерди. Жөнгөсөдөн алар жыргап, бияқта кишилерди өлтүрүп, анан тележка менен алып келип жыргап жүргөн турбайбы булар бияқта көрсө.
Micah, Arthur, keep looking for stuff. Arthur, go see if there's anything in that barn. Micah, you search the cabin, see what we missed.
Sure.
Давай бычак менен кирерсиң. На всякий случай бычак менен. Ат нен чыгат, значит, бирдеке барбы? Ох ты.
Bastard shot my cousin. Well, he started it. I'm gonna break your neck.
Так, F, атаковать ты. Давай, давай, давай. На.
This guy just jumped me.
На. Кандай экен? Жактыбы?
Sneaky little bastard. Should I kill him?
No. Not yet. Find out what they're doing here, and where Colm is.
Oh, this son of a bitch will talk. Where's Colm O'Driscoll?
With the others. At an old mining camp southwest of here. Near the lake.
Ишектер, биздин немелер
What are you
туштар жүрбөтүбү?
bastards doing? Why are you up here?
We're fixing to rob some train.
Гравит поезд дейт.
Gonna blow the tracks. I don't know more than that, I swear.
Ничего не
Well,
знаешь?
I would say it looks like you have this, Arthur. Do what you want with him. I don't care. But bring that horse when you're done. Oh.
I don't know anything else. Please. Please, spare me. I promise. You won't see me again, partner.
Мен сага ишенбейдим го, бандаң барып айтасың да, давай. Өлтүрүп чыктың, кыйнап. Жөн алмаптыр сен. Бой берип койгондо бандаң барасың да, мен айтасың да. Машина камера. Мода машина открыта.
Yeah, good boy.
Алда меники болбой ошондо.
bastard still in there?
He's dealt with.
Good. That looks like a decent horse. You should keep him. Get that horse hitched. Don't want him bolting.
Whoa, look, I found in the cellar. Wild thing, ain't ya?
Leave her alone.
I wasn't doing nothing. She's one of them O'Driscolls.
No, she ain't, Michael. Look at her. Miss, are you...
Oh, you fool! Michael!
Miss, now, it is gonna be okay. We mean you no harm. Miss. Come on. It'll be okay.
Peanut жүрген ғой бұл
We need to get out of here, and quick. Come on now. Oh. You okay, miss?
They came 3 days ago. And my husband, they...
Miss, you are safe now. And you can't stay here. You come with us. Arthur.
Miss, it's okay. We're bad men. We ain't them. It's okay. Get on. We'll keep you safe until you figure out what you want to do.
What's your name, miss? Miss.
Adler.
Adler.
Sadie Adler. Mrs. He was my husband.
Ну, күйеуі соған тұрбай білейін. Күйеуісін өлтіріп тұрып, черешка салып тұрған. Көң қойып, үстін жауып қойғандарын қарап қойын. 1890 жылдар екен.
Hey!
1899.
Somebody's coming! Looks like it's Dutch. Hey, everybody, Dutch is back!
Қанша деді?
How'd you get on?
1899
Micah found a homestead, but he weren't the first.
89 деді ғой деймін.
Colm O'Driscoll and his scum, they beat us to it. We found some of them there, but there is more about, apparently. Scouting the train. Thank you.
That's the last thing we need right now, Dutch.
Well, it is what it is. But we found some supplies, some blankets, a little bit of food, and this poor soul, Mrs. Adler, Miss Tilly, Miss Karen, would you warm her up? Give her a drink or something? And Mrs. Adler, it's gonna be okay. You're safe now. They turned her into a widow. Animals. I need some rest. I haven't slept in 3 days.
You're over here. Miss O'Shea will show you the way. Mr. Morgan, we put you in a room over here.
Thank you, Miss Grimshaw.
Mr. Bell, you're with the fellas over there.
What? How come Arthur gets a room and I get a bunk bed next to Bill Williamson and a bunch of darkies?
Get yourself to bed.